All right. I got visual on the trucks. Can't engage. It's oriented up, Sergeant. All right, take it easy. Take it easy.
Bring your barrel to the left, son.
Roger.
Good. We're up on road.
All right.
Get up there.
All right, as soon as I get up close, we're going to be able to engage. I need you to pull up. It's too close to 1-3.
Step on the gas.
Pull right. I need you to pull right. All right, up. That's good.
Open up.
All right, got visual on the truck.
Fire.
Engaging. All right, truck is down. Troops. Troops open.
Fire on the troops. Roger. Suppress the house. Fire. Fire. Hit the house. To the right of the house. Engage. See him.
All right,
The house. Dismount.
got him.
Fire.
Reloading. I got to reload. I'm up. Got the troops. Ceasefire. Take it easy. Still got visual on troops. Got him. Gotta go down.
Fire! Fire! Cease fire! Pull up forward, driver. Pull up rear.
Hold on.
Good, stop here. All right, do your thing, man.
Roger. Suppressing the house.
All right, go ahead, brother. Suppress the house.
Reloading. Over this side.
Cut, cop out, go to the back. Get that gun going. Fire it up, fire it up.
Guns up.
Fire.
Suppressing house.
Across the house. Hit the house, Rutherford, hurry up.
right, we're good.
All right. Go ahead, give that burst to the house. Go.
All right.
Bring it down. Bring it down.
Sergeant.